Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to remove or replace window motor on BMW E46. This is the 3 Series guys, generation 1998 to 2005, even early 6. So if your window motor doesn't work, stay with us, we'll show you how to do that. We're demonstrating on Convertible, the Coupe should be the same way, and I think the sedan will be a very close procedure. We'll have more than 200 videos on this car, so please subscribe. Check out our official Facebook page as well, and let's go ahead and start on it now. So all the tools and parts that we use will be listed in the description of the video. Now the first step will be to remove a cap right here. There is one cap. So we have to be careful which way we remove that thing. Okay. You can see it just pops open like that. There is one screw. Now underneath that airbag cover there is another bolt that we'll need to be removing. So with a plastic panel removal tool there is two teeth like this one. You have to push them in and pull it out. Okay, you can see those are the teeth right there. And we removed it because right here inside there is one bolt. So now we'll be using Torx 20, it's coming out of this set, and we're going to remove this screw right there. Okay, perfect. One more under the handle. It goes kind of like in an angle. Okay, you can see how the screwdriver is in an angle. So this one was really tight. You have to use the correct tools, otherwise you can damage those screws and it will be really hard to remove them. Okay, once you get this one loose, I don't know if it's going to pop out of there for sure or not. Okay, let's see with the magnetic screwdriver if we can pull it out. Or it's not going to. Okay, we'll get the small pliers. We won't even get the pliers. I think when we pull the panel out it will come out because I couldn't find the pliers. So we'll get a panel removal to a fat one. Okay, and we'll start prying the clips open now. Once we remove the door panel, I'll show you where all the clips are located. And I don't think this panel has ever been removed because it's really tight. Okay, one clip fell off. We'll show you how to install them if they come loose. And now right here, another bolt that we missed. Okay, it's the same one like the one on the other side. It goes in an angle like that. So altogether we have 4 bolts. Okay, now it needs to slide up, I think. We'll check in a second. Also guys, one more hidden bolt. That's a good thing to watch the video before you do it. So you don't break your stuff and we can break our stuff by showing you where things are. Okay, this one is a little bit hard to see there. Okay, this is the screw, you can see long screw. Now we have to lift up. Okay, it should go up. Okay, like that. You can see those clips need to come loose. Okay, all those clips need to come this way, and then you need to pick it up a little bit. But mostly it slides this way. Okay, let me show you where all the clips are in a second. But before, let's disconnect. Okay, the door handle here and the cables. This is the wire for the speaker there, for the tweeter. This is the speaker wire. Press both things together. Okay, and this one, okay, you just pry this one out and stay with us, we'll show you how to install it later. And now let us show you where all the clips are on the back side. Okay, when we install the panel, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, 7, 8, one's missing there, 9, 10, 11. Plus on top you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips. So you can see how many clips. We lost one of them, so we'll grab it and install it quick. Okay, let me pick it up. Okay, it went over here under the car. So replacement clips, guys, you can find online, but most of the times they don't break, they just come off. So I would recommend to disconnect the car battery at least 1 hour before you proceed removing the airbag. Because if the battery is connected, there is a higher chance for the airbag going off, and you don't want that to happen. It can kill you. That's why just a fun video, guys. Do not do that. Just informational video here for fun. So we're going to disconnect the battery, and it's important how you do it. We disconnect the negative wire first, okay, and after that we're going to disconnect the positive. Okay, you have to be careful on the positive because it's part of the airbag system as well, so you don't want to damage anything there. Okay, we pull that one out as well. We will let it sit for 1 hour and we can continue with the next step. Okay, it's been 1 hour, so we can continue now, okay, with removing the airbag. 10mm socket, stay out of the way. Okay, 2 bolts that we need to remove. 3 bolts actually, my bad. You have to hold it while removing the last one. Now we need to disconnect the wiring harness. So now it's important to work with plastic tools, never ever use a screwdriver. This cap right here, now gently, okay, we're going to open it. Okay, give me a second here. Okay, and this one is stuck. Don't do what I'm doing. Okay, I'm going to go ahead, get the screwdriver, okay, and I will open that cap. You have to be extremely careful, okay, that thing can explode and kill you anytime. Once you open it, okay, it's going to release the clips and you can remove the airbag. You can see. You can do that on the other side, but you cannot reach, so you can reach only one of them. And the airbag is out of the way now. Very gentle how you store that thing. Next, okay, we need to peel that insulation. You have to be careful not to break it. As you can see, ours already has been removed because it comes out pretty easy. If it hasn't been removed, that thing will not come out easy, I guarantee you that. Okay, you can see there it's stuck, so we probably, you can even get a knife to help yourself. It re-glues later, not as strong as original, but it does pretty good. Now you don't even have to unglue the bottom part, we can just flip it like that, and later we're going to install it easier that way. So now, with the torque 30, we have to get 3 screws loose. Okay, this is the third one. Now what it looks like, we have to turn the motor counterclockwise so we can pull it out. Okay, like that. After that, we need to disconnect the wire on the back side, push down and pull out. And this is, guys, your window motor out of the car. So we get a new motor now. Okay, you need to go in an angle, then we need to turn it. Okay, remember how it goes now. It needs to go, the axle needs to go first, in, then push in and turn clockwise until the screws align. Okay, this is our replacement motor that we got, the new one, and from that point on, install the 3 screws, connect your wire, and everything else, guys, will be in reverse order that we took apart. So thank you for watching, please subscribe and many more videos to come to the channel.